My dog stepped on a bee.
My dog stepped on a bee.
Zoinks! Like my dog stepped on a bee, man.
Huh? I stepped on a bee?
Wow. Wow. My dog stepped on a bee. Wow. You want to know how I got these scars? You see, my dog stepped on a bee. It would appear that my dog truly did step on a bee.
My dog stepped on a bee. Objection, relevance. My dog stepped on a bee. Objection, relevance. Dog stepped on a bee.
You turned her against me!
Cristiano Ronaldo! Suey!
You fucking donkey! Hey guys, it's me, Vixo123.
I disagree.
Cheers! The motherfucking tea.
I need that money.
General Kenobi.
My dog stepped on a bee.
My child spilled my tea.
My dad has to pee.
My mom's stuck in a tree.
This is never gonna be!
My dog stepped on a bee.
I'm stuck in jam and I need to pee.
I'm hungry and don't have Maggie.
I'm going to fire my employee.
I'm so broke, I need a sugar daddy.
I love you, you love me, we are happy family.
I'm Nayu, I cannot eat babi.
My dog stepped on a bee.
I disagree.
You want a piece of me?
I gotta pay.
Why do you want to kill me?
I got family.
How come you don't want me?
Show me the money! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
I can see! You turned her against me!
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Look at me. Responsibility.
Jesse!
So you say,
I have an army.
This one's for my family!
God friended me.
I know it's my destiny.
Donkey!
Under the sea.
The battle will be legendary. Right?
This looks like a job for me. Follow me.
My dog stepped on a bee.
But you can't do this to me.
I can't go to Germany.
They love me.
Where's my money?
I was cleaning the chimney.
Blow up the city.
My dog stepped on a bee.
My name's B.
Excuse me.
This is never gonna be!
Me. Just me.
You marry me?
My dog stepped on a bee. Stepped on a bee. Stepped on a bee. My dog stepped on a bee. Stepped on a bee. Bee. My dog stepped on a bee.
I work in a bakery.
Oh, it's what you do to me. Isn't she lovely?
What's happening?
Dog, bee, my dog stepped on a 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 bee, and if only it would be that I could blame the whole thing on my good friend Johnny. My dog stepped on a bee, and if only it would be that I could blame the whole thing on my good friend Johnny.